This is my newest hyperfixation, which might sound kind of strange, but I really enjoy it and I wanted to share it with everyone. If there's someone who does this better, please let me know. It's inspired by a cocktail I saw on a menu called a spicy margarita. I just start out with a little bit of sugar-free key lime bottled seltzer water. And then I like to add a sugar-free pink lemonade drink mix. Of course, you could do this with fresh lemons or anything like that. I then go in with some lime juice, jalapeno juice, and the jalapenos, some tahini, and a pinch of salt. I mix that all together and I pour it over ice. And I drink one or two of these a day. To me, they're just super refreshing and delicious. They're not super sweet, but they have a hint of sweetness, a little bit of salt, a little bit of sour, and I just find them super refreshing. If you've tried anything like this or you've seen a recipe like this somewhere else, let me know and give it a try. See if it tickles your taste buds like it did mine. Okay, bye, friends.